Well, Brittany, Steve, beyond the emotions of all of this, some of these cases don't even make it before a judge. But the attorney I spoke with says this case is particularly unique. And in the cases that are prosecuted, the attorney tells me the people who are responsible for the child's death could face up to a year in jail at the very least. Your reporter in Birmingham, I'm Brady Talbert, WBRC 6 News, on your side. Well, Brittany, Steve, we all know attorneys have to be really tough to do their jobs, but in cases that involve kids, I'm told it takes a really extra heavy toll on them as well. Darius Creighton is an attorney with Ferris, Riley, and Pitt who has experience working inside the Jefferson County DA's office. He says attorneys on both sides of these tragedies are made privy to information, pictures, and videos, things that most of us never want to see, but they have to look at to build a case. He says that cases that involve children can really stick with you. To be clear, Creighton is talking about cases of intentional abuse. At this time, we don't know why KJ was left in that car for so long. Of course, we'll continue to keep you updated as this case continues to evolve. Your reporter in Birmingham, I'm Brady Talbert, WBRC 6 News, on your side.